Welcome to the Lesson 4 game. This one is called Training Mission. You just need a big open area. You'll have all your students stand in this area, and you'll have a leader yell out training mission orders. Now there's 8 different ones that can be found in your game instructions. After an order is yelled, a kid will do some kind of an action that we will explain in a second. And if you are the last person to make that action, you do the wrong one, or you didn't do it right, you're out. The last team or person standing wins the game.